with a white coupe, you know. Had to meet up with Mark real quick to give him this SD card. He was trying to get his exhaust done, but apparently everybody's closed and whatnot, and he can't get it done. So I guess that's gonna have to wait for another day and another vlog. What's up, player? There goes your SD card.
SD card.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you, player.
What you doing up here? Oh, you got a phone deal? I didn't know you got a Ford. Wait, where'd the Honda go? I still got it. That's a Ford too.
Oh, he's got two cars.
Oh, I thought I said you got two cars. We just got one. Hey. Make it work though. I am the face. He said he wants me to more be the face of it.
He's the face. I'm more the, because he ain't business smart.
I am business smart. I'm book smart.
Why you doing like that?
That is messed up.
I'm telling the truth. Spell element.
Element.
Okay.
You spell element E-L-E-M-E-N-T. E-L-E.
Right down the van.
What do you mean?
Smart.
No, I didn't. Oh. I didn't even know that was over there.
Can I see it?
Can you hold this, please? Can you get it young?
Look.
Hopping out on my dream car.
Who wear jean shorts?
I do. Who wears those?
These are 240.
Miami Heat shirt, but can't stand it. Look at you. You stretch your damn.
He said, I gotta switch hoodies.
Boy, trying to get dressed through this hole, not that hole.
Horse. Boy, do not. That is not the outfit. Oh.
Bleach on bleach? You got bleach on bleach?
This is a
watercolors on watercolors? $300 hoodie.
He said, first of all.
Okay, these are PR.
Hold on. He said, first of all, check the shoes out.
Thank you. Then I have the Yeezys. This is hard. You know it's hard.
Hey,
you know this is hard. You know this is hard.
I give you the shoes. I give you the shoes. The hoodie's hard, but
no. You know the whole drip is hard. Different. I don't care if it doesn't match. I'm matching everything. The shoes is matching this.
But look at the car though.
The shirt is matching the whip. And the whip is matching me. The interior is matching the top of the hoodie. Stop playing with me. Sky Miles, last name used to be Tally.
He started taking them weight loss pills, and now he acting like a different man.
No, man.
I take the same weight loss. Hold up. I take the same weight loss pills that you take. You put me onto them. You put me onto them.
Yeah, look at me.
Look at hell.
The thing is, I didn't need them. You did. You needed them.
Yikes.
Yeah.
Why you gotta call this man out?
Shit, right there from getting in.
Why you doing like that?
He just got this car. Let's look at his seat.
Oh man.
This is the play.
Come on.
Like she ready to go.
Hey, don't bring my wife into this. Don't bring my wife into this. Come on. It's all right. Let's see. Let's see what it's talking about.
Oh, can you get this a 2019? Come on, dude.
It's not 2019.
He said, first of all, it ain't.
Oh, that's even worse.
It's newer.
2020.
Hold on.
Look at this.
It's up. Wait. I'm in the way.
They ain't nothing. Nothing.
That's not nothing.
Nothing.
What?
This was here when I got it. Nothing.
Look.
That was
Just
there
a
when
little
I got
something.
it.
Nothing.
Just a little something. I ain't gonna need to say nothing. This is between y'all two. I ain't gonna need to say nothing.
Eye over here.
Let's get this right quick.
No. Hey, don't flip it on me.
Damn. Go to B2.
Don't be mad because you was getting clowned, bro. Don't be mad, bro. Don't worry.
Oh, let me see the mufflers real quick.
Everybody's talking about they paid $90, $100 and all.
Yeah.
So I'm like, man, y'all not about to play me because this damn coronavirus. What you got going on?
All right, guys, these are the mufflers. So this is gonna make the car louder, basically.
Bullets. They're called race bullets. And everybody that I've seen on YouTube pretty much has these on their Challengers and Chargers. So that's why I decided to go that route. I don't want something that's just loud to be loud.
Yeah.
Right.
I want it to actually sound like something.
It actually sounds good.
Yeah.
That's pretty much it. I guess we were gonna do the exhaust today, but apparently we can't do the exhaust now because every shop is closed. And I guess Mark, you're about to go back to the house, to your place. I guess he's about to go back to his place.
Don't want to make no money.
And we'll catch you guys probably another day. Oh, 485 horsepower, no joke. Yes. Skinny Scott! Hey man, if you ain't got no V8 or if you don't have torch on the dash, don't talk to us. It may not be no Hellcat, but it's a wide body, it's a Scatpack, and I don't see you in no wide body. It's boogie. It's fucking boogie, man. I get it. Get up. Launch control one last time. Press brake. Yeah, I guess that's how you do it. Y'all know what it is. That's how you do it. Yes, sir. That's what's up, though. But what the you doing? Look, can I zoom in, Deshaun? When you edit this, zoom in on this, though. Yeah. I'm gonna give you elbow. We got Scatpack wide body. That's right. And we got the M4 BMW M4 blue over there too. Yes, Marina blue.
So the AA and the we get ready to do it. This is good, bro. What you think about all this going on today?
Play me like are you dumb? Are you dumb? Stupid? Dumb? Ha! Play me like a dummy.
Who's paid?
Yeah.
He might be paid.
I thought he was gonna say though after that though.
Cha, mother.
Yeah, I like that. That's clean. I'll make a left right in there.
Nas is about to get his surgery, his tonsil surgery.
Yeah, man.
He getting nervous. He getting nervous. We pulling into the hospital, so it's getting real. Getting real, boy.
Yeah, man. Getting a little bit nervous. You're gonna make a left right in here.
Oh boy.
And then you're gonna turn in there where those things are.
2 hours later.
What's up, guys? I'm back after my surgery. It went well. I'm about to go home and sleep. Got a call coming in. Anyways, just ignore the call. I'll be back in a week to do some more car stuff. They took me to a room, and all I remember is going to another bed, and then they put something on my face, and then I just woke up. And then they put my body on another bed, and right when I went on the other bed, they put something on my face, and I just woke up and I was finished. My tonsils, it hurts a little bit.
It's gonna hurt like hell tomorrow, boy.
But I feel like I'll be back in a week.
I'll be back in a week with some legendary content. We got some drives with a couple people. I know that our boy Javi, what's his Instagram name? Give him hell, Javi.
Yeah.
He has a Hellcat. We're trying to set up a cruise with him. And then another guy, Silver Dragon, is his name, right?
Yeah.
He has a RT. We're trying to set up something with him. But give him hell, hobby. That'll be fun because he does a bunch of like crazy shit with his Hellcat. And it's a stick shift, so it'll be cool to see how that is compared to. Well, I know it's gonna be faster, but how it shifts compared to this.
Yeah. And I got some plans with people with M3s and M4. I was supposed to meet up with a friend that has a M3 CS after I recover. So once I recover, we'll be straight to the car content. We already have enough footage to put out 2 videos for you guys. And yep. So I'm gonna see you guys when I recover, man. I love you guys and thanks for watching our videos. We really do appreciate it. See you.
Here's mine.
No, that's okay.
What else did you do to this?